In this video, I will show you how to turn off Windows Defender in 10 or 11. Firstly, click Windows button on keyword and type Settings. In Settings, scroll down and click on Update and Security. Now in Sidebar, click on Windows Security and select Virus and Threats Protection. In New tab, you need to locate Virus and Threat Protection Settings and click on Manage Settings. Now toggle Real-Time Protections, Cloud Delivered Protection off, because these protections works even when you turn off Windows Defender. Then to completely turn off Defender, you need to click on Firewall and Network Protection. Now go to Public Network. Now toggle the turn of Microsoft Defender Firewall. Now your computer doesn't have protection. After activities you meant to do, don't forget to turn Defender back on. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.